Have you ever felt like someone just wasn't listening to you, no matter how many times you spoke? It is a common struggle for everyone learning English. You want to be clear and understood. Learning the idiom, read my lips, will help you express your seriousness and improve your conversations. Imagine this. Tom tells his friend, read my lips, but his friend actually stares at his mouth. Tom was just trying to be serious, but his friend thought he wanted a dental exam. How awkward. So what does it really mean? Read my lips is an emphatic way to say, listen very carefully. It means what I am saying is serious, clear, and there is no room for any misunderstanding. It started with teaching people who are deaf, but today it is used by everyone to show they mean business. Let's see it in action. A mother says to her son, read my lips. No more video games tonight. The son knows she is serious. He doesn't argue because her message was 100% clear. She used the idiom to show her resolve. It's perfect for when you've made a final decision. Example 1. Read my lips. I will never give up on my dreams. This shows strong determination. Example 2. The boss said, read my lips. The deadline is tomorrow. This is a very firm warning. Example 3. I told you I didn't do it. Read my lips. This emphasizes that the speaker is telling the truth. To remember this, imagine a giant ear leaning toward someone's lips. It's all about listening closely. When you see the word lips, think about the deep listening you do when you really want to understand. A famous fun fact. In 1988, George H.W. Bush said, read my lips, no new taxes. It's a huge part of history. Before that, Tim Curry released an album titled Read My Lips in 1978. It has been popular for a long time. This idiom reflects how much we value honesty and being direct in our English-speaking culture. Similar sayings include, mark my words, take my word for it, and simply, believe me. Opposite phrases are, I'm not sure, don't quote me, and take it with a grain of salt. Common mistake, don't say read my mouth, always say read my lips. Idioms are specific. Be careful. This idiom can sound a bit rude if you use it with your teacher or your boss. Use it carefully. Quiz time. What does read my lips mean? Is it A, watch my mouth move, B, listen very carefully, or C, I am lying? The correct answer is B. It means listen very carefully because I am serious. Great job today. Share your stories in the comments. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. See you next time.